Speaker Among ebyabigambiro bwabire n'eggula ssaako y'abakozi ba district eyesirwe Isinjiro Employees Sacco kandi abaire ashendekerezibwa Minisita Henry Musasizi n'abandi bingi.
Item in the manifesto of the President is wealth creation. And we've advised people in this wealth creation, get money from PDM. We have circles. This is a revolving fund. It is your fund, revolving fund. You should be able to make interest out of it, make a living out of it, have your own money.
Speaker Among aina amatsiko nkusakweji nija kuwera okurundana hamwe abakozi ba gavumenti cyongere n'ahantase yabo. Abakuru abizere na Speaker bakwatireho sakweji kandi we Speaker agirukangirire na miliyoni 50.
You hear about these workers. I am part of them. I am giving 50 million for this. And we will continue doing a review. We will continue doing a review. You said how many are you?
1,265.
I will request Chairman Mushabe to bring a letter to Mose asking for support for this circle.
Mama can come here, she can bring all the people, can give you the money, but you the members, you must love them, you must respect them, and you must do your best. So I'll contribute towards the women, 10 million, and also come and share my knowledge.
Chairman wa Sakweji Edison Rutachirwa aina amatsiko nkusakweji n'empaji mpango omukutungura abakozi ba gavumenti na mnonga omu district eje y'Isinjiro.
Twende umukozi w'Isinjiro wena ahari abari umihanga yona abaye no mutano abandi abakozi bonda ba district zindi cyo tukozere kugira ngo Sakweji cyo kureberaho ama district agandi kandi mbahiga aba staff bona batakatahira umusakweji bije bagitahemo
Ndruth Nwamanya.